Hello. I just wanted to record this very short video to show you the inside of your beautiful life so you can see why I love it so much and all the fun stuff that's inside so you can see if this works for you, if this is something that would help you on your journey to your beautiful life. So this is the first page. So when you become a member, you get access to yourbeautifullife.ca, and this is the first thing you see, and you just click on dashboard and you go straight to the main page. So I've set up the main page to be as easy to find the good stuff as possible. And these top four buttons are the best parts. We have a masterclass button, live sessions, the private Facebook group, and recipes. I'm going to take you through all of those in a second, but there's more on this page. We have a welcome video that can also help guide you through, and more buttons to show you where things are. So we have another recipe button. We have the Ask Lisa button where you can send me messages anytime with questions, concerns, ideas. They can turn into questions for our Q&A sessions on our private Facebook page. They can become masterclasses. You can send me what you'd like anytime. You get 15% discount on one-on-one sessions with me. So this is a pretty big discount. It turns into about $30 off your initial consult, or about $70 off a 3-appointment package. So it's a big deal if you also would like some one-on-one sessions. You also have access to wish list, which is another place that you can send me ideas, masterclass ideas. I would like certain recipes. The important part is, as a member, you guide the content. So when I'm creating new masterclass schedules, that comes from your feedback and you get to vote on it. So I arrange it into the order that is most popular. You get to decide on what recipes are added. The content is guided by you. And so it allows you to get the information and the support that you really need to help you through your day and anything that you're dealing with. We have some more buttons to take you to some cool stuff, including some meditations that were created by the wonderful Lisa Dumas just for us. We have specific buttons to certain master classes that can help you on certain topics. And then this is the live Q&A schedule. So these are some of the upcoming live Q&A sessions that happen on our private Facebook group, but I'll show you where they live on this page too. I've created this so you have access to a lot of great stuff on our private Facebook group. But if you're not on Facebook and you have no interest in being on Facebook, everything lives here too. So let me show you these big buttons. So the master classes are my favorite thing. I create a new masterclass every single month. Each one of them it takes about an hour to go through. So they're not giant. Basically, I take a topic and I distill it down to the most important info and the most important to-dos to make this as easy as possible. And this month in June, we're looking at recovering from burnout. So this is June 2021. And I've created, each part guides you through certain areas. So we have how to pull out of fight or flight when you're in the midst of big stress. What is the difference between high and low cortisol? How does sleep affect you when you're burnt out? And then part 4 is fast energy boosters. These are ways to just bring up your energy right away. And then the long-term strategy. So when you're really burnt out, how do you get your energy back? If your energy is like at a 2 out of 10 right now, the fast energy boosters can make an enormous difference. But this isn't the only masterclass. So every masterclass for 2 years is still up here. So in July, we have one coming up about hydration. May was about the thyroid. April, we looked at dieting culture and how to create a relationship with food that doesn't involve counting, doesn't involve restriction. How do we actually create a new relationship with food? We have inflammation. We have this popular masterclass on the pelvic floor and how important this incredibly important muscle is to our overall health. I looked at intermittent fasting, who it's for and who it's really not for. We looked at the combination between cortisol, insulin, and thyroid in December, and so much more. There's 28 master classes, I believe, including, this is one of my favorites, cooking skills with Scott Nystrom. You guys, if you live in the Okanagan, you might already know of this man. He is a brilliant, creative chef. He makes incredible food. He loves what he does, and he provides a really, really great information in this masterclass, both on how to use your knives properly, how to create a kitchen with the right staples, and how to throw together foods. He provided so many resources. It's amazing. And we have tons and tons of info here, including sleep and blood sugar, and yeah, and every month I'm adding a new one. So in July we have hydration. In August it's Wendy Gowdy, who's an amazing fitness instructor and belly dance instructor. She is creating a masterclass on how to build strength for us. If your body has been under a lot of diets and your metabolism is a little low, that one of the best ways to bring your metabolism back up is by building strength. She specializes in seniors fitness, so this will be geared towards bodies that aren't 20 anymore, and we just need to make sure that we don't get injured and we're still building strength. So I follow her regularly. I'm not a senior, but she really knows her stuff, and she really knows how to describe an exercise in a way that you know you're doing it properly. I love her. So let's go back to the dashboard and take a look at live sessions. So these are this is the back catalog of all of the live Q&As. So we have one more I have June's, there's one in June that I still have to add. And these are all of the old Q&As. And so you don't need to go through all of them, but you can pick and choose if there's a topic you want to hear about. I always go in order that I list, so you can jump around. And everything on this site is created to be a one-off. So you don't need to spend hours or days or weeks going through all of the information to get started. You can choose a masterclass on its own. They all are standalone. You can check out these Q&As. They're all standalone. So you can just get that information that you're really looking for. We also have the private Facebook group. I love this spot. I'm not going to take you there because then you'll see the names of the people that are in the group. And I feel that that's just for all of us that are in the group to see. So I'm sorry about that. But there are about 80 to 85 people in this group. So it's a good size group without being too big. It's this lovely community. And we share recipes and ideas. They ask questions. That's where the live Q&As are before they land over here. And then lastly, we have the recipes. So I have lost count a while ago. There's at least 200 recipes in here. And they are all on different topics. And I add new recipe collections anytime somebody says to me, hey, I really would like some rice bowls or some healthy sweet treats or some more gluten-free, dairy-free recipes. And then I go and create it for you. So anytime, if there's any recipes that you're really looking for, or a type of cooking that you're looking for, like crock pots or fast dinners, just let me know and I will create them for you. So this is your beautiful life. This is inside the page. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out and ask. And I hope to see you in the group. It is my favorite thing for a very good reason. And I hope you get to join this community.